The heat is on. It's real. And experts say it can actually cause a lot of problems with your hair.
Also, lots of myths have related to hair care and growth over the years. A lot of people talk about it more, seems like, in the summer months. So joining us right now to give us the facts, and nothing but the facts, New York City hair loss specialist, Dr. Michael Wolfeld. Thanks for joining us, Doc.
Thanks for having me, guys.
All right, so we're going to talk about this, but we want to play a little game. We're going to let you be a game show host.
All right.
You throw out questions about summer hair myths. Rosanna and I will do and then you'll explain whether or not we're right or wrong.
Yeah,
okay?
Perfect. I like it. I like it. You guys ready?
Yeah,
we're ready.
All right, here we go. Number one, washing your hair every day in the summer is bad. What do you guys think?
True.
False.
So that's false. You can wash your hair frequently over the summer because there's dirt, there's impurities, there's salt from going swimming, there's chlorine. So you want to really wash your hair frequently to get all that out so it doesn't damage your scalp.
And it's not just the summer, right? You can wash your hair every day year-round, right?
Yeah, you can wash your hair frequently. It depends on your hair type and who you are and how much sebum or oils that you secrete, and you don't want to over-dry it. But in the summer especially, there's so much impurities that build up in your scalp from swimming and different products that you may use, so you really want to get that cleaned out.
I didn't know that. I always thought it was best not to wash your hair that often.
No, you can wash it frequently if you need to.
I do it every day. Year-round.
You don't have that much hair.
Oh, I'm just
this
telling
is
you.
a mop I got on my head.
All right, question number two.
All right, question number two. Here we go. Frizzy summer hair can be tamed by wetting it.
Ooh. Yeah, it's true.
False.
So you are right, Rosanna. It is false. So you have frizzy hair, maybe caused by heat, humidity. So just adding wetness or humidity can add to more frizziness. So you want to really condition it. You want to nourish it, moisturize it. That's going to help frizzy hair. If you have split ends, you can trim the split ends. But just adding wetness to frizzy hair is not going to treat the frizziness.
Good to know.
All right, number three.
Here's one that a lot of people may not know about, but baseball caps can cause balding. What do you guys think?
True. Look at Tiger Woods. No, I'm not picking on him, but I think that's a good example.
I'm going to say false.
So it is false.
Oh,
it is false.
Really?
So everybody grew up thinking that baseball caps cause balding, right? You've always been told that.
Yeah.
But that's not true. And it's really genetics that leads to hair loss. So with Tiger Woods, you may have to look at his family. But baseball caps do not cause balding, and actually over the summer it's actually helpful because you want to protect your scalp from the sun and from the UV rays, so baseball caps can be beneficial to protect your hair, but baseball caps don't cause balding.
Okay.
Ah, all right.
Stick that in your pipe and smoke it.
Number four, here we go. Hair doesn't grow in the summertime.
That's false.
Yeah, yeah.
Hair, yeah, that's true. No, you're right. It is false.
Yes.
Yeah. So hair actually grows a little bit faster.
I was just about to say that. I think my hair grows faster in the summer.
Yeah. So the thinking behind that is that there may be some more blood flow going to your scalp over the summer, and that increased blood flow may increase the growth rate of the hair. So it may grow a little bit faster in the summertime.
Yeah, I definitely notice a difference. All right,
and
one
our
more.
last question, number five: coloring your hair can lead to hair loss.
I would say true.
So, you know, listen, I do everything to this hair. It's like my mother says, you're going to lose your hair. You're going to lose it. I'm going to say true.
So so the answer is false.
Oh,
so,
thank you, Lord. Okay.
But coloring your hair is not going to lead to a permanent loss of hair, but it can be damaging to your hair. So the actual dye can damage the strands of hair, the cuticle, can lead to more breakage, more shedding of hair, can be irritating to your scalp. So you may see some temporary shedding, but it's not going to lead to a permanent loss of hair.
So, Doc, what are you seeing right now? Because people come to you not for just advice, but they come for treatment. What are you seeing is the #1 thing out there?
So I see a lot of people come into my office with shedding hair, but also thinning hair, which can be genetic. And there's in-office treatments, there's prescription treatments that can help for thinning hair. One of the in-office treatments that we do offer is what's called PRP, or platelet-rich plasma treatments. That's derived from your own blood. We concentrate the platelet-rich plasma, which has growth factors that can help to strengthen and thicken your hair. And we do have some before and after photos of some patients that have undergone PRP treatments, and it has helped to stabilize, and it can help to thicken their hair as well.
So obviously the before is on the left and the after is on the right. You know, is it that you see more of it because people are coming to you to address it more, or incidents of it happening more?
Well, you know, it's hard to know exactly, but I think it's concerning people more. It's bothering them more. They're looking in the mirror more. They're doing more Zoom calls, so they're seeing themselves more often. So it bothers them, and they've read that there's treatments available, so they can just come in, get an in-depth consult, and see what may be right for them.
Dr. Wolfeld, if people want to find you, where can they?
So my website is wolfeldhair.com. My Instagram is @Dr. Wolfeld, is what would be my Instagram handle.
And when Pat Sajak officially retires, you got another job you can have.
Here we go.
Thank you so much, Doc.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for doing this. This was fun.
All right, so we want to put on